So coming to problems, find the general solution of the DE ആണ് question. And the first problem, dy by dx minus y equal to cos x. ഇത് രണ്ട് മെത്തേഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞിൽ നിന്ന് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അറിയാം we cannot split it. വേരിയബിൾ സെപ്പറബിളും അല്ല ഹോമോജീനിയസും അല്ല എന്നുള്ളത് തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. Then we go for first order linear DE, which is dy by dx plus py equal to q എന്നുള്ള സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോം കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ this is in standard form. So what is p? ഇവിടെ p എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -1 and what is q? Cos x. Identify p and q. Now find the integrating factor. Integrating factor എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് e raised to integral p dx, which is e raised to integral -1 into dx, which is e raised to minus x. Integral dx is 1, minus minus integral dx is x. So integral e raised to integral minus dx is e raised to minus x. Therefore the solution is y into if equals integral q into if into dx plus c എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. Substitute ചെയ്യാം. So y into e raised to minus x equals integral cos x into e raised to minus x into dx plus c. Equation number 1. This is the solution. Now we have to integrate the right hand side. Right hand side ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചറിയാം, it is the product of two functions. Product of two functions വന്നതുകൊണ്ട് integration by parts ചിന്തിക്കാം. When you are integrating by parts, but here both functions are integrable. രണ്ടും integrable ആണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് 3 റൂൾസിൽ പെടുന്നതല്ല, ബോത്ത് ആർ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രബിൾ. അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ വി സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ഐ ആൻഡ് ടേക്ക് എനി വൺ ആസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആൻഡ് ദ അതർ ആസ് ദ സെക്കൻഡ്. ഐ എന്ന് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്ത് ഇൻറ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണത്. സോ വി ഇൻ ഓർഡർ ടു പ്രൊസീഡ് വിത്ത് ദാറ്റ് ഇതിന് ഇക്വേഷൻ 1 എന്ന് എഴുതി ഈ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രൽ തനിയെ എടുത്ത് നമുക്ക് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻ 1 സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ലെറ്റ് ഐ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു integral e raised to minus x cos x into dx, which we have to integrate. E raised to minus x first function, cos x second function, integrate by parts, that is equal to first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of the first function into integral of the second. Integrate here. So e raised to minus x into integral cos x sin x minus integral derivative of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x into sin x into dx. Integral cos x is sin x. Now minus of minus makes plus. So e raised to minus x into sin x plus integral e raised to minus x into sin x into dx. Here again product of two functions, both are integrable. But വീണ്ടും I replace ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല കാരണം I is only this problem. So again we have to integrate by parts by taking e raised to minus x as first, sin x as second. So e raised to minus x into sin x plus integrate by parts. E raised to minus x integral sin x minus integral of derivative of e raised to minus x into integral of sin x. വീണ്ടും integrate ചെയ്യാം. So e raised to minus x sin x plus e raised to minus x into minus cos x. Sin x ന്റെ integral minus cos x ആണ്. Minus integral of e raised to minus x into minus 1 into minus cos x the whole into dx. E raised to minus x in the derivative e raised to minus x into minus 1 integral sin x minus cos x ആണ്. Now minus of minus plus in the integral plus into minus ആവുമ്പോൾ minus ആണ് ബാക്കി വരിക. So in the next step we have, so this is e raised to minus x sin x minus e raised to minus x cos x minus e raised to minus x into cos x into dx. The first two terms e raised to minus x sin x minus e raised to minus x cos x, ഇവിടെ minus minus plus ആവും, plus into minus minus again e raised to minus x cos x dx. Again integration by parts ചെയ്യാതെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാം, e raised to minus x cos x integral എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് I ആയിട്ട് replace ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. So we can replace this as I. E raised to minus x into sin x minus e raised to minus x cos x minus I. Left side എന്നുള്ളത് we proceeded with I. minus I bring to the left hand side, which makes plus I. So I plus I 2I equal to e raised to minus x sin x minus e raised to minus x cos x, or I is equal to e raised to minus x into sin x minus cos x whole divided by 2 എന്നുള്ളത് വരും. e raised to minus x common ആണ്. So sin x minus cos x whole divided by 2. So this is the integration of integral e raised to minus x cos x. നമ്മുടെ equation 1 ആണ് solution. ആ right hand side ഇതായിരുന്നു integral. So we have found out what is the integration. We can substitute and which will give the final answer. Therefore 1 implies y into if ആയിരുന്നു. So y into e raised to minus x is equal to e raised to minus x into sin x minus cos x the whole divided by 2 plus c, which is the required general solution for the given first order linear DE. Consider another problem. X into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Comparing with the first order linear DE, നമുക്കറിയാം dy by dx ന്റെ coefficient അവിടെ unity വരണം. ഇവിടെ x ഉണ്ട്. So first what we do is divide throughout by x. So dividing throughout by x, because x is along with dy by dx. So dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x square by x എന്ന് വരുമ്പോൾ x remaining. So this is now in the standard form. So comparing p is 2 by x and what is q, which is x. q എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x ആണ്, p എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y ഒഴിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. So it is 2 by x. Now the next we find the integrating factor e raised to integral p dx. So 2 by x into dx e raised to 2 log x എന്ന് വരും. 2 constant പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുത്തു, 1 by x integral log x. Now this can be rearranged as e raised to log x square because b log a എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് log a raised to b. Now e raised to log of a function എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് function തന്നെയാണ്. എപ്പോഴും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, this is one of an important result. e raised to log of a function വന്നാൽ this can be written as the function itself. e raised to log of a function. e raised to x എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ e raised to x തന്നെയാണ്, but e raised to log of some function വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ then we can write this as function itself. So e raised to log of a function which is x square, so x square. Now the solution is y into integrating factor which is x square equal to integral q. What is q? X into integrating factor into dx plus c, or we can solve this as yx square is equal to integral x cube dx plus c, or yx square is equal to x raised to 4 by 4 plus c, which gives the general solution. അടുത്ത problem നോക്കാം. y dx minus x plus 2y square dy is equal to 0. So first formula convert ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്ന് നോക്കാം. So y dx is equal to x plus 2y square into dy. Negative of that term becomes positive. Now dy by dx എഴുതുമ്പോൾ y by x plus 2y square എന്ന് വരും, which we cannot further separated. കാരണം y by x plus y by 2y square എന്ന് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റില്ല because a plus b is in the denominator form. So we cannot further rewrite this, which we cannot write it in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So understanding this, let us go for the next first order linear DE, which is dx by dy plus px equal to q. അങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്ന് നോക്കാം. So given problem y dx is equal to minus x plus 2y square dy equal to 0 taken on either sides. Now dx by dy equal to എന്ത് വരും? x plus 2y square by y. ഇനി സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. So dx by dy equal to x by y plus 2y. 2y square by y is 2y. Now dy by dx plus px equal to q ആണ്. So x term ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവരാം. Bring to the right left hand side. Minus x by y equal to 2y. Now it is in the standard form dx by dy plus p into x equal to q. q our functions of y ആണ്. p also is a function of y. So it is in the standard form of the second type first order linear DE. So we go for that solution. ഇവിടെ p എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -1/y, q എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2y ആണ്. Next integrating factor which is e raised to integral p dy because p is a function in y. p എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -1/y dy -1/y 1/y log y. So e raised to minus log y and this is e raised to log y raised to -1 because b log a form which is log a raised to b, or this is e raised to log 1/y. Now e raised to log of a function എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് function ആണ്. So it is 1/y which is the integrating factor. Now with this we go for the solution. ഇനി solution എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, now the solution is x into if equal to q into if dy plus c എന്നാണ്. So x into 1/y equal to integral q. What was q? 2y. 2y into 1/y dy plus c എന്ന് വരും. 2y was q and the integrating factor is 1/y. So y cancel. It is 2 constant integral dy y plus c. So x by y equal to 2y plus c എന്നുള്ളതാണ് general solution. Now the next question what is asked is find the particular solution of DE. Particular solution മുമ്പത്തെ മെത്തേഡിൽ വേരിയബിൾ സെപ്പറബിൾ ആസ് വെൽ ആസ് homogeneous differential equationൽ particular solution നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. The same way here you are asked the particular solution for this DE or for under these conditions. Let us see. First as usual we must get the general solution. അപ്പോൾ general solution ആദ്യം കിട്ടാൻ നോക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ dy by dx plus py. So what is p? Cot x. y ഒഴിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത് p is cot x. And what is q? q is 2x plus x square into cot x എന്ന് വരും. Let us find integrating factor which is e raised to integral p dx. Integral cot x. Integral cot x is log sin x ആണ്. Integral cot x എന്നുള്ളത് log sin x ആണ്. Now e raised to log of a function. So what is the function here? Sin x. Now substitute in the solution. Y into integrating factor equals integral q. What is q? 2x plus x square cot x into sin x dx plus c. Integral q into if into dx plus c. Now we have to solve the right hand side which will give the answer. അതിനായിട്ട് let us take term by term. Integral 2x sin x plus integral x square cot x sin x. Now 2x sin x, x into sin x, product of two functions where one is a power of x. ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എക്സിനെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷനും സൈൻ എക്സ് സെക്കൻഡ് ഫംഗ്ഷനും വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇതിനെ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രേഷൻ ബൈ പാർട്സ് ചെയ്യാം. നൗ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ കോട്ട് എക്സ് സൈൻ എക്സ് ഡി എക്സ് എന്നുള്ളത് ഒന്നും കൂടി സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യാം. ബിക്കോസ് കോട്ട് എക്സ് ഈസ് കോസ് ബൈ സൈൻ, സോ ദാറ്റ് സൈൻ ക്യാൻസൽ ആയി പോവും. റിമൈനിങ് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർഡ് ഇൻറ്റു കോസ് എക്സ് എന്ന് വരും. സോ വി ക്യാൻ റീറൈറ്റ് ദിസ് ആസ് 2x sin x into dx plus integral x square cos x by sin x into sin x dx plus c. So sin x cancel out. Now let us integrate the remaining two integrals. So we have integral y sin x is equal to integral 2x sin x plus integral x square cos x dx plus c. Both integration we have to do by integration by parts where one of the function is x raised to some power. അതുകൊണ്ട് അതിനെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. The other as the second function and integrate by parts. So first integral two constant. Now integrating by parts, first into integral of sin x minus cos x minus integral of derivative of x 1 into integral of sin x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മൈനസ് കോസ് എക്സ് ഡി എക്സ് എന്ന് വരും. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇൻറ്റഗ്രലിൻ്റെ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രേഷൻ ബൈ പാർട്സ് കഴിഞ്ഞു ആൻഡ് 2 is outside. Plus for the second integral integration by parts, first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second. So again this is 2 into minus x cos x, minus of minus plus integral cos x is sin x. First integral inde complete integration കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Plus x square sin x minus 2 constant പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുക്കാം, remaining x sin x into dx എന്ന് വരും. So here again we have to integrate x sin x. So again integrating 2 into minus x cos x plus sin x plus x square sin x minus 2, put bracket, integrate by parts, first function, second function. So x into minus cos x minus integral derivative of x 1 ആണ്, integral sin x is minus cos x into dx. So we have 2 into minus x cos x plus sin x plus x square into sin x minus 2 into minus x cos x minus of minus plus integral cos x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് sin x ആണ്, plus c. Now comparing the first and the last one, we can see it is 2 into minus x cos x plus sin x, whereas this is negative 2 into minus x cos x plus sin x. So these terms get cancelled. So remaining it is x square sin x plus c. Therefore solution എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y sin x equal to x square sin x plus c എന്നുള്ളതാണ് general solution ആയിട്ട് വരിക. So general solution എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y sin x equal to x square sin x plus c ആണ്. ചോദ്യം particular solution ആണ്. So we substitute y equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore condition കൊടുക്കാം, y equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. y equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2 എന്നാൽ y 0, so the left hand side is 0, x is pi by 2, so pi square by 4 sin pi by 2 plus c, or 0 is equal to pi square by 4 into 1 plus c, or c is equal to minus pi square by 4 എന്ന് വരും. Therefore the general solution implies y sin x is equal to x square sin x minus pi square by 4, which gives the particular solution of the given DE. More problems from the exercise. Let us see how to do this problem. We compare dy by dx plus p into y equal to q എന്നുള്ളത് കാണാം. So p is sec x, q is tan x. Therefore we find e raised to integral p dx, which is sec x into tan x, sec x into dx. Now e raised to integral sec x is e raised to log of sec x plus tan x ആണ് e integral sec x. Integral sec x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് log of sec x plus tan x. So e raised to log of a function, so sec x plus tan x is the required if. Therefore solution is y into if equals integral q. What is q? Tan x into sec x plus tan x into dx. Tan x bracket ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് എടുക്കാം. So integral sec x tan x plus integral tan square x into dx. Bracket open as well as integrate term by term. So integral sec x tan x plus integral tan square x dx. Integral sec x tan x is sec x എന്നറിയാം, because sec x derivative sec x tan x plus tan square x integral direct ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, directly we cannot, so we can write it as sec square x minus 1 into dx എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Now again, so y into sec x plus tan x, which is the left hand side, is equal to sec x plus വീണ്ടും integral sec square x is tan x and minus integral 1 is x plus c, which is the required general solution. Next problem, cos square x into dy by dx plus y equal to tan x എന്നത് അറിയാം. dy by dx എന്നുള്ളതിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് 1 ആയിരിക്കണം. but here it is cos square x, so we will divide throughout by cos square x. So dividing throughout by cos square x implies dy by dx plus y by sec cos square x equal to tan x by cos square x ennu varum. Or we can rewrite this as dy by dx plus 1 by cos square x is sec square x ennu ezhudam. 1 by cos square x is sec square x into y equal to tan x by cos square x is sec square x into tan x. 1 by cos square is sec square x. So P is sec square x and Q is sec square x into tan x. So we will go for integrating factor, which is e raised to integral sec square x dx, which is e raised to tan x. E raised to tan x is e raised to tan x itself, because there is no log in the power. Therefore the solution is y into e raised to tan x equal to integral q. What is q? Sec squared x tan x into sec square x tan x into e raised to tan x dx. q into if ennu vannu. Now tan x derivative ആണ് sec square x. അതുകൊണ്ട് tan x ന് substitution കൊടുക്കാം. So sec square x dx is equal to du. So the right hand side integral is integral sec square x dx du ആണ്. So u e raised to u du. Tan x is u into e raised to u into the remaining is du, which is product rule in terms of u variable. Integrate by parts, first function u, second function e raised to u. So integrating by parts, first into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. Again, so it is u e raised to u minus e raised to u plus c, u ennallathu rewrite cheyyam, which is tan x. So tan x e raised to tan x minus e raised to tan x plus c is the right hand side. Therefore we can write the given solution as, therefore general solution ennu parayunnathu y e raised to tan x is equal to, right hand side integrate either pole, e raised to tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c ennu ezhudam, because here e raised to tan x is common, so tan x minus 1 inside the bracket. The next problem, x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. Again coefficient of x dy by dx is x, so divide throughout by x. So dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x log x ennu varum, because x square by x ennallayil x ആണ്. So what is p? P is 2 by x, and what is q? X into log x. Next we go for if, which is e raised to integral 2 by x dx, which is e raised to 2 log x, which is e raised to log of x square, which is x square, because b log a raised to b, and e raised to log of a function is function. Therefore the solution is y into x square is equal to integral, what is q? Q is x log x into x square into dx ennu varum. Now x square into x is x cube. This is x cube log x into dx. Now to integrate this, it is integration by parts, where we have one function as logarithmic function, so we take that as the first and the other as the second. Now integrate by parts. So y x square is equal to first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second. Second function is x cube. Let us integrate by parts. So log x into x raised to 4 by 4 minus integral derivative of log x is 1 by x, and x cube becomes x raised to 4 by 4 into dx. Log x 1 by x, integral x cube x raised to 4 by 4. X 1 cancel becomes 3. So log x into x raised to 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 constant, baki x cube in the integral x raised to 4 by 4 plus c is the right hand side integral value, integration. Now what is our left hand side? We have y into x square equal to log x into x raised to 4 by 4 minus x raised to 4 by 16 plus c is the required general solution. So let's see another problem. X log x dy by dx plus y equal to 2 by x log x. Again dy by dx coefficient x log x, we will divide throughout by x log x. So dividing throughout by x log x, what we have, dy by dx plus y by x log x is equal to 2 by x into log x by x log x. So dy by dx plus y by x log x is equal to log x cancel, x comes down, so it is 2 by x square, x താഴേക്ക് വരും, so it is x 2 by x square. So this is q and what is p? 1 by x into log x. So we go for IF. Now IF is e raised to integral 1 by x log x into dx. Now 1 by x log x എന്നുള്ളത് basic fundamental integration ൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. We can rewrite this as e raised to integral 1 by x by log x into dx, which is 1 by x log x. So it is f dash by f form, log x derivative 1 by x. So f dash by f, what is integration? Log f. So we have it is e raised to log of log x. So it is log x, which is the IF, e raised to log of denominator, e raised to log of log x. Appo log of the function ennu parayunnathu avade log x aanu. So we have log x as the IF. Now we can substitute in the general solution. Therefore y into log x equal to integral q 2 by x square into log x into dx ennu varum. 2 by x square is q and log x aanu IF. So integrate the right hand side. Integrate the right hand side, remember 2 constant, 1 by x square is x raised to minus 2 log x into dx. Again log x, product of two functions, one is logarithmic function, so log x in first function kodukam, x raised to minus 2 second function, integrate by parts. First function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second, x raised to minus 2, x raised to minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So 2 into minus log x by x minus of minus plus integral 1 by x square dx ennu varum. This becomes minus x raised to minus 1 in a denominator undaram. Now minus of minus it is plus. Again x raised to minus 1 is 1 by x, x into x avade x square varum. Appo 1 by x square integrate again x raised to minus 2, which is x raised to minus 1 by minus 1. So it is 2 into minus log x by x plus x raised to minus 1 by minus 1 plus c is the required integration for the right hand side. Left hand side എന്തായിരുന്നു? y into log x. So what is our solution? y log x is equal to minus 2 log x by x minus 2 by x plus c is the required general solution. 2 bracket ഉള്ളിൽ ഇരിക്കാം, minus 2 log x by x, this becomes minus, so minus 2 and x raised to minus 1 bring to the denominator, which is 1 by x plus c എന്ന് വരും. Again find the general solution for this linear DE. Okay, ഇവിടെ dx dx there are two terms, so let us bring to one side. So 1 plus x square into dy equal to minus 2xy dx plus cot x into dx. Ni group here. So 1 plus x square into dy equal to minus 2xy plus cot x into dx. Now what is dy by dx? എന്നുള്ളത് minus 2xy plus cot x the whole divided by 1 plus x square. So this is dy by dx. ഇതിനെ ഒന്നും കൂടി റീറൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy by 1 plus x square plus cot x by 1 plus x square എന്ന് വരും. Or this a 2xy bring to the right and left hand side, which implies dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to cot x by 1 plus x square, which is dy by dx plus py equal to q form. Q function of x, p function of x. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് നേരിട്ട് ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റിംഗ് ഫാക്ടറിലേക്ക് പോവാം. So this is the problem now. Comparing what is integrating factor, e raised to integral 2x by 1 plus x square into dx, which is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Now x square derivative 2x, so the integral is f dash by f form. അതുകൊണ്ട് അത് log of denominator എന്ന് വരും. So e raised to log of 1 plus x square. So e 1 plus x square is the integrating factor because e raised to log of a function. Now the solution is y into 1 plus x square equal to integral what is q? Q എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് cot x by 1 plus x square ആണ്. Cot x by 1 plus x square into if 1 plus x square into dx plus c. So 1 plus x square cancel ആയി, remaining integral cot x ആണ്. Cot x integral is log sin x. So we have log sin x plus c is the integral for the right hand side, and therefore y into 1 plus x square equal to log sin x plus c gives the general solution. See given problem in this way. dy by dx ൽ അവിടെ x കിടക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ആദ്യം x കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. So dividing throughout by x, we have dy by dx plus y by x minus 1 plus y cot x equal to 0. Dividing throughout by x, y by x minus x by x minus 1 xy cot x by x എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ remaining y cot x. ഇനി ഇവിടെ y by x plus y cot x, അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ y common ആണ്. So we can write this as dy by dx plus y into 1 by x plus cot x equal to 1. The constant 1 taken to the other side, which is 1. അപ്പോൾ y by x plus y cot x ൽ y common, so 1 by x plus cot x എന്ന് വരും. Now this is standard form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So we go for integrating factor, e raised to integral 1 by x plus cot x the whole into dx എന്ന് നോക്കാം. 1 by x is log x, cot x is log sin x. Term by term പവറിൽ ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. 1 by x എന്ന് log x ആണ്, cot x ൻ്റെ integral log sin x ആണ്. Now this is power is log a plus log b form, which is log a into b. So we have e raised to log of x sin x. Now e raised to log of a function. So what is the function here? X into sin x എന്നുള്ളത് integrating factor ആയിട്ട് വരും. Now we go for the solution. So y into x sin x is equal to integral q into x sin x into dx plus c. Q എന്നുള്ളത് അവിടെ 1 ആണ്. So what is remaining is x sin x, product of two functions. One is a power of x. അതുകൊണ്ട് x ന് first function, sin x ന് second function കൊടുത്ത് integrate ചെയ്യാം. So integrating y into x sin x is equal to first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second. Integral sin x എന്നുള്ളത് minus cos x ആണ്. So we have minus x cos x minus of minus plus integral cos x is sin x. So integration is over plus c. And the left hand side is y into x sin x is equal to minus x cos x plus sin x plus c എന്നുള്ളതാണ് അവിടെ general solution ആയിട്ട് വരിക. Next problem, x plus y into dy by dx equal to 1. Let us see x plus y dy by dx equal to 1 പറയുമ്പോൾ dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus y. നോക്കാം, 1 by x plus y വരുമ്പോൾ അതിനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So it is neither of any of the first order linear DE. dy by dx plus py equal to q no dy by dx by dy plus px equal to q first formula എന്തായാലും വരില്ല. So let us go for the next one. So ഇതിനെ reciprocal എടുക്കൂ. Therefore dx by dy is equal to x plus y by 1. Now we can rewrite this as dx by dy minus x is equal to y, which is the second form, dx by dy plus px equal to q ennulla formula. So what is p here? Minus 1. What is q? Y. Let us find integrating factor, which is e raised to integral p dy, e raised to integral minus 1 dy, e raised to minus y is the integrating factor, integral dy, y. Therefore the solution is x into e raised to minus y is equal to integral q, which is y into e raised to minus y dy plus c. Q എന്നുള്ളത് y ആണ്, integrating factor e raised to minus y ആണ്. Integrate by parts. Y first function, e raised to minus y second function. First into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second. So x into e raised to minus y equal to minus y e raised to minus y minus of minus plus again e raised to integral minus y എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് e raised to minus y by minus 1 plus c is the required general solution. This is the problem y dx plus x minus y square into dy equal to 0. dy by dx എന്നുള്ള ഫോർമുല എഴുതി നോക്കാം. So y dx is equal to negative of x minus y square into dy. So what is dy by dx? Equal to y by negative of x minus y square. So we can understand that we cannot split this. ഇതിനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുക്കാം. So dx by dy equal to negative of x minus y square by y. Reciprocal taken, minus of x minus y square by y, which is negative x by y plus y square by y. Open the bracket and divide term by term. So it is minus x by y plus y എന്ന് വരും. So we can write therefore dx by dy plus x by y equal to y എന്ന് വരും. So dx by dy plus p into x equal to q എന്നുള്ള ഫോം വന്നു. So what is integrating factor? E raised to integral p dy, e raised to integral, what is p? 1 by y dy or e raised to log y, which is y is the integrating factor. So what is the solution? X into y is equal to integral q. What is q? Q എന്നുള്ളത് y ആണ്. y into integrating factor dx plus c or y square dy plus c, which is y cube by 3 plus c or xy is equal to y cube plus 3 by 3 plus c is the general solution. So given problem we can see that you are asked the particular solution ആണ് കാണാൻ ചോദ്യം. So we first find the general solution. അതിനായിട്ട് dy by dx plus py equal to q standard formula ആണ്. So we find the integrating factor e raised to integral 2 tan x dx, which is e raised to 2 sec square x, e raised to, sorry this is not e raised to integral 2 tan x dx ആണ് p. 2p is 2 tan x. So e raised to 2 constant, integral tan x is log sec x, which we can write it as e raised to log sec square x or sec x the whole square because b log a form. So e raised to log of a function, so e sec square x is the if. So solution is y into if equal to integral q sin x into sec square x dx. Sin x into sec square x we cannot directly integrate. So we write this as sin x by cos square x into dx, which is integral tan x into sec x into dx. കാരണം sin by cos tan ആണ്, remaining 1 by cos sec ആണ്. So now integral tan x sec x is sec x plus c is the general solution. So we have y sec square x equal to sec x plus c is the general solution for this linear DE. But we have given a condition y equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. Therefore, when applying this condition in equation 1, we have y 0 ആണ്. So 0 is equal to sec pi by 3 plus c. 0 is equal to sec pi by 3 is 60. Sec 60 plus c. Now sec 60 means go for cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 2 ആവും. So 0 is equal to 2 plus c or c is equal to minus 2. Therefore equation 1 is y sec square x is equal to sec x minus 2 എന്നുള്ളതാണ് particular solution ആയിട്ട് വരിക. When c is minus 2 we get the particular solution. Y sec square x is equal to sec x minus 2. Similar particular solution problem, find particular solution for this. Now this is dy by dx plus py equal to q form. So first we will find the general solution. So e raised to integral minus 3 cot x dx is equal to e raised to minus 3. Integral cot x is log sin x and e raised to minus 3 log sin x എന്നുള്ളത് e raised to log sin x the whole raised to minus 3 because of b log a. Now power negative ആയതുകൊണ്ട് we write it as e raised to log of 1 by sin cube x and so it is 1 by sin cube x or sin x the whole cube. 1 by sin x the whole cube. So integrating factor is 1 by sin cube x. Therefore y into integrating factor equals integral q. What is q? Sin 2x and what is if? 1 by sin cube x into dx plus c. Now sin 2x we know that it is 2 sin x cos x. So it is 2 sin x cos x into 1 by sin cube x dx plus c. So 1 of sin get cancels. ഒരു സൈൻ ക്യാൻസലായി ബാക്കി 1 by cos by sin square x എന്ന് വരും and 2 is constant. So 2 into cos x by sin square x into dx. Now to convert this into standard form, cos by sin is cot and 1 by sin is cosec. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെ 2 into integral cot x into cosec x into dx plus c എന്ന് വരും. This is the general solution. അതായത് ജനറൽ സൊല്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y into 1 by sin cube x equal to 2 into integral cot x into cosec x dx. Again not equation 1 because integration is not over. Now what is integral cosec x cot x? Integral cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus c. So it is minus 2 cosec x plus c. Integral cosec x cot x or cot x cosec x into cot x derivative ആയി വരുന്നത് cosec x ആണ്, minus cosec x derivative. So the general solution is y by sin cube x is equal to minus 2 cosec x plus c. Therefore this is equation 1. Now apply the condition. So 1 implies applying the condition y is 2 when x is pi by 2. 2 by sin cube x is equal to minus 2 into cosec pi by 2 plus c. Sin cube x, what is x? Pi by 2. So 2 by 1, sin 90 is 1, 1 cube is 1 equal to minus 2 into 1 plus c or 2 is equal to minus 2 plus c. Therefore c is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 4. So the value of C is 4, and hence what is the general solution now? So particular solution C എന്നുള്ളത് 4 ആണ്. Therefore what is the particular solution? Y by sin cube x equal to minus 2 cosec x plus 4 is the required particular solution. C 4 ആവുമ്പോഴത്തെ general solution എന്നുള്ളത് particular solution ആയിട്ട് മാറും.